everyone, and welcome to Pastor Kim's Corner. And yes, it's me, Pastor Kim. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, post a comment, and share. And if you like what you see, don't forget to hit the notification bell. Today, I'm doing B Love's Taco Pepperoni Dip. So she said you can make it your way, and so that's what I did. I made it my way. I made a small amount, and I'm really liking it because it's keto friendly. And check it out. So let's jump right into the video.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat.